Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll talk about an amazing AI tool that will create logos for us in seconds. Are you a startup founder on a tight budget or a freelancer looking to offer logo design services without breaking the bank? Well, you're in luck. Today, we are exploring Ideogram AI, a game changing tool that makes logo design a breeze, no design experience needed. Yes, you heard that right. No design experience needed. You just need to learn the core skill. What is it? Tell me in the comments. By the way, it is prompt engineering, and most of the people think how to learn prompt engineering and from where to learn prompt engineering. You can check the description below. You'll find a playlist link where you can learn prompt engineering step by step. So, what is Ideogram AI? Simply, it is an artificial intelligence powered logo design tool that helps you create stunning logos in just seconds. With Ideogram AI, you can say goodbye to expensive graphic designers and the time taking design processes. Okay, so there are some parameters you can play with it and you can explore how it works. So, without wasting your time, I have a prompt. I'm directly paste here and let's see how's the result. Okay, so basically this is the DC restaurant logo named Spice Root. There is a description of logo that I mentioned in the prompt. So, just click enter and let's see what our logo is. We have to wait a little bit more. Okay, so as a startup founder, you know how crucial branding is, but limited budgets can hold you back. Ideogram AI solves this problem. With this tool, you can create a professional logo without breaking the bank, save time, and focus on core business activities. Easily edit and iterate on your design. So, yeah, our designs are ready, and not just one, there are four designs. There are four multiple variations for your logo. Isn't it amazing? Even you are not finalizing the logo from this, but still you can get ideas. Graphic designers also use this tool to generate new ideas and increase their productivity. So that's it. With Ideogram AI, logo design just got a whole lot easier. Try it out today and revolutionize your branding game. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to share your Ideogram AI experiences, comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Thank you.